Okay, so I've got 2 medium zucchini that I'm making into my noodles using my fancy spiralizer, which is it's really easy. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on them and leave them to stand while I get the rest of the soup ready. So I've got my saucepan on really high heat to quickly get my coconut. So I'm just going to use the whole jar, so it's going to be pretty punchy laksa, so just going to give that a stir to kind of mix it all through, and bring it up to simmer. We can get the chicken in, and I've just got a couple of chicken thigh fillets that I've sliced into long strips so they'll cook nice and quickly. So the trick here is to just simmer them gently until they're just cooked through. And I'm going to turn the heat down now to medium and just let them simmer away they'll only take a few minutes. So laksa's been simmering away gently for about 5 minutes, and I've had a look at the chicken. It's looking lovely and cooked. I've had a taste and really happy with the flavour. I don't think it needs any extra salt or anything. You might like to add some salt or some fish sauce, and maybe a squeeze of lime if you feel like it's a bit flat, or some lemon juice if you don't have lime. Then I've just divided my noodles, they're still cold, between my bowls. I'm just going to pour the soup on top and serve with basil leaves on top of that.